Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Evoque. The all-new Range Rover Evoque is the lightest and most fuel-efficient Range Rover to date, continuing our commitment to environmental sustainability. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, rain-sensing wipers, rear fog light, speed control, rear window defroster. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.